Who doesn't like to try to make their life easier? I do. Listen, I have a 37-foot CV, triple 400 Mercuries. When I come back from a day of fishing or a day with just family and friends, I got 10 people on the boat, there's a lot to clean up. I've got to wash my boat down, I've got to clean fish, and you should flush your engines. And I learned about Flushmaster a few months ago. That's a whole nother story, and just incredibly interesting how a company responded to me early on. It was just a great experience. And at that point, I knew that if the people working there were that passionate, that the product was gonna be good. Anyhow, 2 days later, I had hand delivered my first Flushmaster, and I want you to see how easy it is. When I say making your life more convenient, I'm talking about coming home, putting your friends to work cleaning the boat, you go clean the fish, and you hook up the Flushmaster to your engines. Mercury says 15 minutes of flushing per engine. All right, if I had a good day, that's about 45 minutes of cleaning fish. 15 minutes for each engine. I'm gonna push on. This is set up for 3 motor application. I've got 3 hoses, 3 quick connects onto my outboards, and I am gonna push start. After I push the start button, this cycles through each engine one at a time. That's 15 minutes per engine, okay, 45 minutes. So the thing about the Flushmaster, it just makes your life easier, okay? In the past, I would have to connect my hose to flush one engine, kind of think about how long it's been, stop whatever I'm doing, come back, switch to another engine. But with the Flushmaster, it's consistent, effective flush of every engine, one at a time. So I don't have to stop what I'm doing to come back and reset it. Right now, I push start, set it and forget it. Y'all ever heard that before? That's exactly what happens. It does my starboard engine, does my center engine, and then does my port engine.
Flushmaster. Flush your engines without flushing your time.